In this tutorial, we'll discuss how to use async and multithreading in C#. How's it going, everyone? Welcome to this tutorial on using asynchronous programming and multithreading with IronOCR. Today, we'll discuss how to make your OCR tasks more efficient and responsive using these techniques. I've already installed IronOCR in my project using the NuGet package manager. So let's go ahead and open up the program CS file to get started. First, we need to set up IronOCR. Begin by assigning the license key. Here we are using a trial license key provided by IronOCR. Next, create an instance of Iron Tesseract to handle OCR operations. To start with a basic example, we'll read text from a PDF file synchronously. We load the PDF using OCR PDF input, and then read the text using the read method of our Iron Tesseract instance. The result is then printed to the console. Now let's move to asynchronous operations. We'll load the chapter 1 PDF file, but this time we'll set up a function that reads the PDF and then returns the OCR result. This function will be wrapped in an OCR read task object. Then we start the OCR task asynchronously using the start method of our OCR read task instance. So let's look at the implementation of the do other task 1 method. This method simulates performing other operations by writing message to the console and then sleeping for a specified time duration in milliseconds. Once our tasks are completed, we'll wait for the OCR task to finish and then retrieve the result. This is done by the await ask.run method. Finally, we print the OCR results to the console and dispose of the objects to free up resources. For another approach, we use the read async method provided by Iron Tesseract. This method directly performs the OCR operation asynchronously. While it runs, we call another method, do other tasks 2, to simulate current work. The do other task 2 method is similar to the previous one, simulating work with the console message and then a sleep interval. Then we print the OCR results to the console. Here are the 3 PDF files, which we will use as an input in this tutorial. First one is for reading data synchronously, and the other 2 are for reading data asynchronously. So let's go ahead and run the program and wait for the execution to complete. All right, so let's check out the output. And there you go. As you can see, the OCR results are printed after the simulated tasks, and that easily demonstrates how you can efficiently manage OCR processing alongside other operations using async and multithreading. All right, this concludes our tutorial on using asynchronous operations and multithreading with IronOCR. By leveraging these techniques, you can significantly improve the performance and responsiveness of your applications when dealing with OCR tasks. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. And if you'd like to get started with IronOCR, go ahead and sign up for a trial on the site and continue to download and install the package and experience the power of our software firsthand. Click the link below in the description. Check it out for yourself.